Me, Jason Powers here, back with another video. So guys, today we're gonna be hitting on some Subway Surf. And yeah guys, freaking Subway Surf is gonna be the best. I'm gonna have Douglas tattooed on my chest. And yeah guys, so on Subway Surf, I can make it pretty fucking far. This is not gonna be that long. But I'm going to try to make it as long as I possibly can. See, I'm doing alright on here. I'm not the worst. But I'm still not the fucking best. My lag on here sucks. So fuck. But yeah, guys. Hey guys, that shit always fucking happens. I don't even know what the hell that is. Hey. But honestly, let's hit it, guys. Let's hit the shit. Yeah, let's get one of these. And fuck that. Man, fuck that bullshit. Alright, guys. We jumping up here. Fucking fat ass nigga's gone. Fat nigga's gone. Alright, fat nigga's back. Come here, fat nigga. Jump, fat. Jump, fat ass. Let's go. Alright, guys. So we're jumping. We're going. We're crouching. We got the C for Crips. We're jumping again. We're fucking flying past the shit. Got a fucking board. Oh, fucking ollie. Fucking whip 360. Fucking no scope 360. Oh, fucking bird. Oh, fucking pigeon. Are you fucking kidding me? This is fucking insane, guys. Fucking pigeons. Are you serious? Get the fuck away from me, fat ass. Alright guys, I've been a little silent, but yeah, I'm doing good. I'm freaking flying past the fat nigga, and yeah guys. Also freaking I'm the only one that freaking watches my shitty ass vlogs, but guys, go freaking check out my my other video. It's called Clash of Clans games, but it's just one game. It's Clash of Clans, but go check it out, guys. It's a fucking fun game that I play. It's only like 3 minutes long, but I don't care. Still go check it out. Give me the fucking extra view. Guys, we're gonna have more videos of my sister dancing. Don't worry. I think she's sleeping. Alicia. Yeah, I think she's sleeping. I hope so. Oh, 360. Oh, fucking alley. Oh, fucking hit it. Oh, hit it back. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, fucking wall riding. Fucking belly biting. Fucking trim heighting. Like in SpongeBob, like would fucking Mr. Krabs be like fucking Titan? Like, that's a good question. Like, would King Neptune be Titan? Who the fuck would Titan be? Guys, I have a lot of fucking questions. Guys, I'm fucking flying. Who the hell can run this fast? Fuck. Man, I made it far, guys. Alright, let's see how far I made it. I made it pretty fucking far. Fuck, don't get it. Nope, X. Fuck. What's fat nigga? I don't even know what that means. I'll fucking die so I can check my shit. God damn, guys. Fucking damn, boy. Ooh, Bronze Award. Woot. Fuck yeah, let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. Oh, fuck, God, gotta go. Fucking Segway, nigga. Fucking, fucking, Florida fuck, there goes my subway, get away from me, fat ass. It's a fucking pit bull, fucking slobbery, long titty, open nipple, having ass motherfucker. Long titty, no nipple. You fucking say your titty, no. You fucking say your titty, no. Fucking long nipple. Fucking big. Say your titty, no nipple. Having ass bitch. Fucking saggy titty bitch. Fucking saggy titties. Do 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 do. Fucking jetpack woot. Alright guys. So here I gotta fucking get as much coins as I fucking possibly can. That's just stupid. Hey guys, go check out my boy Beastie Reacts. If you're not already subscribed to him, he's fucking awesome. He'd fucking die if he heard me say that. Guys, by next month, get this at least to fucking 30 views. Come on now, like, I know we're not even that big on YouTube, but like, come on now. I deserve fucking views too, just as much as fucking Logan Paul does. And Jake. I got fucking Jake Paul posters in my room. Alright, fucking, you serious? Let's see, guys. Fucking 5,000. Double up. Hell yeah, I'm fucking loading an ad in. I got fucking, oh. Alright, guys, let's fucking go. Fucking skip. Ah, fuck you. You guys caught that shit, didn't you? Fucking 10,000 coins. I got fucking 12k. Fucking 12k. Spend it on hoverboards. Okay. How many do I got? I got 11 now. I'm fine. I just gotta get fucking over 500. Just hit all coins. I want a fucking gold rush, boys. All coins, all coins. All coins. Guys, speaking of which, this is one fucking thotty bitch that always thinks she's better than her fucking buddy. And so, you know what I said to her? It's fucked up. I said, fuck you, and she fucking went and told. What? Hold up, guys. I'm gonna fucking hit this, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna hit this shit, and I'm gonna fucking hit this shit. Man, I'm fucking good at Subway Surfers. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I got a segue just in case. Yeah, I'm fucking awesome at Subway Surfers. I'm fucking better at Subway Surfers than I am at Call of Duty 4. Fuck. I just get free coins now, guys. Just free coins from now on. Fucking shit. I'm gonna use those. I'm fucking done using those because I can't. No, fucking every time I'm nervous, I just pull it out. That's what she said. But I was talking about my freaking hoverboard. Guys, I'm fucking flying. Yeah, guys, that's where I freaking missed. I'm freaking flying though, guys. I honestly am. Jeez, guys, I gotta fucking go. My phone's only at 2%. Are you serious? Alright, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty long. I liked it. It was fucking funner than every video I did. But yeah, guys, Southside G, peace on the street. See you next time. Bye-bye.